Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily stocks analysis for Tuesday, April the 19th, 2011. Well, a change of trend today for Apple, code AAPL, and we have a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Some bullishness in this market in the short-term time frame, a green body candle, fairly large green body, and the buyers have made significant net bullish progress, and the buyers have closed this market in control. This market is trading down below the cloud, so we have an overall negative bias that's been retained by this market. It was set up some time ago when we broke out to the downside below the cloud, and is trading just at the Kijun-sen, which means the market is neutral in the medium-term time frame, but bullish in the fast-term time frame now by trading up above the Tenkan-sen, which is the green line. Decent resistance overhead, good resistance offered at the Kijun-sen at the moment. It's trading around this 337 region, and certainly into the top of the bottom of the cloud through to the top. That zone's extending from 342 up to 352. The next we're looking at is Intel, INTC, and we can see this stock as well in the first time frame is now trending up. It's made a higher high and a higher low, testing the resistance at the Kijun-sen again. We have a fairly large green body candle, a larger green body than we've seen for quite some time, so the buyers have made net bullish progress. The buyers did lose some commitment at the close of trading. We can see the shadow on the top of the candle, and that's probably the Kijun-sen coming into play, the influence of that indicator there, and the market selling off slightly. Good support down below around this 1940 region, extending down to 1936. It's been tested on 3 occasions and the market's bounced. However, each time the market has been testing down there, the market's been making lower peaks. This is somewhat of a descending triangle, and if the area down below 1937 is broken, we could see lower prices. Overall, though, the market is bearish, trading down below the cloud, and bearish in the medium-term time frame by trading below the Kijun-sen. Only just those, so it's not terribly bearish in the medium-term time frame, but the market has turned bullish in the fast-term time frame. Important to see this market trade up above this $20 region and above the Kijun-sen. If the market does, there's some good resistance at $20.20, extending up to $20.66, and then certainly up to the cloud. The next stock we'll look at is Under Armour, UA, and a stock that's been trending up very nicely in the second time frame. We can see that the market's been making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs, and here today on today's candle we've established another higher peak after we've made a higher trough. So quite a bullish market here, a very large green bodied candle trading well above the cloud and above each of the Ichimoku indicators, above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, giving us a bullish market in the medium term and fast term time frames and in overall big picture terms. The next is Goldman Sachs, GS, and we can see that this market is trading down below the cloud, well below the cloud, and below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen. Both of those indicators are pointing down fairly sharply, reflecting strong downside momentum in this market. A very big red-bodied candle today, quite a bearish candle. There was some buying coming in as the market traded down around 150. You might expect that. That's pretty much a round number, and the sellers lost commitment as the market tested down around there. Important to watch that level for tomorrow. Good potential for this market to continue trending down. Next we'll look at Google, GOOG, and we can see another bearish market here. The market's trading well down below the cloud, so bearish in the long-term time frame, bearish also in the medium-term and fast-term time frame by trading below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen. However, the Kijun-sen has turned flat, so when that turns flat, there's a good likelihood that the market will trade up towards the Kijun-sen and mean revert back towards these indicators. So we do need to keep an eye on that. Watch the high of the current candle for a potential high, high and higher low, and to test up towards the Kijun-sen, which is trading around 557. Quite a bearish market, however, today, a very big red-bodied candle, bears in control. We have very solid support down here at 518.45, a previous area of support. Yesterday's trading market found support in that area, so that's crucial for this market if the downtrend is going to be halted.